Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2, that is classification of business activities of class 11th. Business activities can be classified on various bases, and the common basis of classification is one on the basis of its function. To classification on the basis of function, we can classify our business activities into main, or you can say into two broad categories, that is industries and commerce. This is the whole classification of business studies and commerce which we are going to study in this chapter. This is the outlining of your chapter number 2, and we are going to study everything which is related to the industries, type of industries, commerce, type of commerce, auxiliaries to trades and all. That all we are going to complete in this chapter. So one by one we will study it. First of all, we are coming on the industries. What are industries basically? Whenever the term coming in our mind, industry, one thing is used to come that, okay, industry is a place where we used to manufacture the things. We can say like that. Or in which we generally used to convert raw material into useful products. So industry includes activities related to production and you can say processing, as well as activities related to the reproduction of animal and other living species. The purpose of industry is to create form utility by converting raw material into usable form of finished products. So we can say industry is very helpful because we can convert the raw material into the usable form so that we can use it. Industry is also referred to the group of firms producing similar or related goods. Like we can say textile industry refer to all the production units related to cloth manufacturing, or we can say cement industries refer to all the firms manufacturing cement. So primary industry, in this we generally used to classify industries in three categories: primary industry, secondary industry and the tertiary industry, that is the service industry which used to provide services to us. So one by one we will discuss in detail about these industries. The first is your primary industry. All those industries which are concerned with extraction of natural resources and reproduction living species, like farming, agriculture we are doing, and you can say the mining we are doing, and the poultry farming we are doing. So this is all related to what? Related to the primary industries, in which the extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species is done. Secondary industries. Now secondary industries is depend on basically on the primary industries, and whatever resources we are getting or whatever things or we are getting from the primary industries, we used to make those primary resources into more and more usable form in the secondary industry basically. Like we get sugarcane from the farms, from the agriculture, and in the secondary industry we used to make sugar with the help of sugarcane and other materials also. So secondary industries make use of product which are extracted and produced by primary industries. Next we have the service industry, or you can say the tertiary industries. These are the industries basically who facilitate the flow of goods and services. That means from the place of production to the place of consumption. हमें बहुत सारे resources की, बहुत सारी services की ज़रूरत होती है, and the service sector is used to do that services. That means tertiary industry provides services, and with the help of tertiary industry only we get, or there will be the smooth flow of goods and services. Like we involved in this sector, we can, or you can say in this industry we can involve transport, banking, insurance, advertisement, warehousing, that is the storerooms and all. So this is all the services which we are getting, and these services help फ्रॉम द प्लेस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन टू द प्लेस ऑफ कंजप्शन तक जो भी सर्विसेज हमें प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं वो इस सर्विस सेक्टर के थ्रू प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं. तो these are three main industries which we are going to do in detail now. In today's class, we'll study only about the industries, their types with the examples. Okay, now we are coming on the, we know what are the primary industry now, and now we are coming on the types of primary industries. So basically primary industries, we all know that means if we are extracting something from the earth, you can use that like animal breeding and all we are doing, so that comes under the primary industry. Primary industries are of two types. Extractive, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, to extract something from the earth, from the natural resources, from the water, that comes under extractive industries. So these industries involves extractions of something from natural resources like minerals from earth, fish from river and seas, timber from forest. These all are the example of extractive industry. Next type of primary industry we have, that is genetic industries. These industries are engaged in breeding plant and animal for their use in the further reproduction. Like most of the people are involved in the dairy farming, you can say. They used to, they're growing fish in the ponds and plants in the nursery and all. They used to do different type of research to make the breed of the animals and plant more and more better. So these are the industries which are involved in these type of activities. Okay, so the industries involved in the activities like breeding of living organisms like birds, plants, animals are known as the genetic industries. Okay, so these are both are the type of primary industry. One thing I want to make you clear, beta, okay, whenever you are learning the type of industry, always learn it with the help of example. If you are learning example with this, then you will not be able to if you are not learning example, then you will not be able to differentiate it. If you are learning it with example, then you can differentiate the different type of industries. So we have two types of industry. Extractive primary industry we have of two types, that is extractive industry, and the second is genetic industry. I hope it is clear to you all. Or what you can do, you can pause the video and make a notes from the slides. Next we are coming on the types of secondary industry. Secondary industries, as we have already discussed, secondary industries makes use of products which are extracted from or extracted and produced by the primary industry as their raw material and produces finished goods. Like for example, mining of iron ore is done in primary industry, but the steel manufacturing is done in the secondary industries. Okay, so now we are classifying it. So first of all, the first type of secondary industry is manufacturing industry. That means now in the industry we are manufacturing something using the product of the primary industry. Okay, now manufacturing industries are engaged in the process of conversion of raw material into semi-finished goods or the finished goods, like timber is converted into furniture, iron is converted into steel, sugarcane is converted into sugar. So if we are extracting sugarcane from the agriculture, that will come in the primary industry. But if we are converting sugarcane into sugar, that will come into the secondary industry. So I hope it is clear to you all. Next type of an industry is main type of industry, that is secondary industry का जो second part है, that is constructive industry. As the name suggests, constructive is something related to the construction. That means वो industries जो constructions का काम करती हैं, like constructions of building, constructions of dams, construction of road. And why we are saying these are secondary? Because products which are manufactured there, like construction industries are concerned with the construction of building, dams, roads, etc. And what are these doing? They are using the product like steel and all for the further you can say the making the good more usable in the form of dams and road. These industries use the product of manufacturing industries like मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री में जो भी गुड्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं उसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. दैट्स वाई like if we are making iron, steel or you can say cement in the manufacturing industry, so construction industry is using those product and doing the constructions. So like we can I'm repeating it once again for you. These industries use the products of manufacturing industries such as cement, iron, steel, lime, etc. Okay, so this is very important. Like we have two types of secondary industry, manufacturing and the construction industry. Now we have many types of manufacturing industry also. That means different type of products which we are manufacturing in different method. So that will come under the manufacturing industry. Now we are coming on the different types of manufacturing industries. This also you have to learn with the example, then only you will able to differentiate it. Okay. First we have analytical industry. Analytical industry. In analytical industry, the basic raw material is broken into different parts to produce finished goods. Like in case of oil refinery, we all know that we used to get crude oil, and crude oil from the sea, you can say, है ना. तो crude oil is processed and many finished products such as petroleum, diesel, kerosene oil, gasoline, etc. are manufactured only by the single product, that is crude oil. So with the help of analytical industry, we used to make different product by using different products from the one raw material. That raw material is crude oil, and we are getting so many other materials, products, you can say, like the petroleum, diesel, kerosene oil, gasoline, etc. are manufactured using in the analytical industry. So it's better you learn it with the example. Next we are coming synthetic industries. Synthetic, that means synthetic जब हमारे माइंड में नाम आता है तो क्या आता है? synthetic मतलब synthetic clothes. Okay, variety of clothes are mixed together to make the single clothing. That is single type of product. Synthetic is the same. Synthetic industry which combines various ingredients into a new product. Like in the case of cement, we can say cement में काफ़ी सारे products मिलते हैं, limestone and all, बहुत सारे products को मिलाकर एक product बनाया जाता है. And soap, then you can say paint, then cosmetics products. So many products are combined together to make a single product. That is, you can say, the synthetic industry. Third we have processing industry. As a name suggests, process के through, different stages के through आप अपने products को manufacture करते हो. In processing industries, the raw material is processed through various stages of production, and then finished goods are manufactured. That means if you are making one product, you have to go through the many stages of production. You can say like textiles industry में काफ़ी सारे stages से होकर जो है आपका proper textile और fabric बनकर आता है. In the same way you can say like sugarcane. After that आप जो है many stages are there to get the sugar from the sugar cane. In the same way, if we are saying we are getting chocolate, we are making chocolate, so that means from that coffee beads or till the production there are so many stages जिसके through production को गुजरना पड़ता है. That means after the process we are getting that product. That will come under the processing industry. Next we have assembly industry. As a name suggests, assembly means different products को मिलाकर एक नया product. That means already other companies are making that product, other industries are making that product, and one industry is that industry is doing that industry is assembling the product. Like we can say the computer, televisions, mobile phones, we are getting these, and automobiles companies, they are getting tools and other parts of the main product from the other industry, and the one industry is doing what assembling the product for making a single product. That is known as the assembly industry. So in assembly industry, the various finished products are combined to produce a new finished product, like manufacturing of computers, television, wristwatches also we have, automobiles, in cars and all. So these will come in the assembly industry. I request you to please you pause the video and note it down, definition and the examples. Next we have the tertiary industry. This we have already done, but I'm repeating it for you once again. Tertiary industry is concerned with providing services, and basically these services helps in the smooth flow of goods and services. That means when we want to supply goods from the place of production to the place of consumption, it is very important, and these services are transportation, to transport goods from one place to another, banking which provide us financial assistance, insurance जो हमारे future risk को कम करने का काम करते हैं, advertisement, promotional activities के लिए, packaging and all, everything will come in this, and the warehousing which help us to store the product, or it can be the raw material, it can be the semi-finished goods or the finished goods. So these all these things will come in the tertiary or service industries, which helps from द प्रोडक्शन से लेकर कंजप्शन तक एक लिंक क्रिएट करता है और स्मूथ फ्लो ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज में हेल्प करता है. तो इन द टुडेज क्लास विल स्टडी ओनली अबाउट द इंडस्ट्रीज. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज प्रिपेयर नोट्स विद एग्जाम्पल. थैंक यू.